YouTube? It's Jose, aka KJ Late Vision, back with another video. And today we got Munchpak. Munchpak is back. So we're gonna try a bunch of snacks. So I got the twerker here, back again.
Hey!
And I got the tie here to help me with these snacks. And we also have a drink this time. I've never done a drink with Munchpak, so we got a drink that we're gonna try out. It's in the freezer right now because he likes his drinks.
Cold. I love everything that comes with this pack. Let's get to it.
All right, and then there's going to be a link in the description below to get, I think it's like 15% off if you want to try Munchpak. All right, let's open this box up and see what we got. I'm going to let you pick the first one, Vine.
Okay, thank you. You know what I'm going to pick.
Pick whichever one you want.
But I like to start with this one.
Show the camera.
We're gonna bring the bangers.
This is Doritos Pizzarolas.
Ooh!
This is from Mexico.
Open it up.
So all the snacks is from places outside the U.S. And so this one's from Mexico. So we'll go ahead and try one. It smells kind of like spicy.
It smells like a pizza roll.
I don't like it.
It's pretty good.
Alright.
No, I like the.
I don't like the aftertaste.
It's like Italian seasoning bam at the end.
It just has a little bit of flavor to it. I love it.
I need like a water to wash this down.
No, I think I need to eat one more before we move on.
That's two more.
Oh.
Let me try one just to double, just to make sure I don't like it. Can you get a water, please?
Wow.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. You have it.
Alright.
Thank you. Alright, you could pick the next one.
He's about to finish the bag now. I want this one. I saw this one. Yummy Gummy Silly Straws.
Let me see where this is from. This is from Turkey.
Oh. They look like they're filled with something.
I still eating this Doritos.
This guy.
They're pretty good.
Ooh. It almost tastes like those airheads that are filled with.
Really good.
Yeah, this is really good.
Didn't
This is better than the Airheads.
It is. That's
You
what
wanna
it
try one?
like almost mimics.
Gotta get the camera lady and the cameraman.
Yeah, I'm not a man. I just snorted in the camera. It's fine.
Sounds good.
It's not really good, but I let it pass for this one.
Alright.
Where was this one from?
Turkey. That one is really good.
Okay,
I want it to be kind of sour.
It is a little bit.
No.
Alright, this is a Munchpak Summer Dream Forest Fruit Taste. Where is this one from? Oh. This is from Bulgaria.
Ooh.
It's a wafer brand.
Let me see.
Introducing a new flavor, forest fruit, with the taste of strawberries and cream.
Ooh. Strawberries and cream. I'm like,
All the ad-libs. Alright, let's see. I don't want that much.
I want to go big or go home, you feel me? So I'm going to take the big one. Sorry, brother. If you like it, it's too late.
It actually is kind of good.
Sounds
So
really crispy.
It's a little too sweet for me, though, but it's good.
It could have used more strawberry taste, I feel like.
No, I feel like it's heavy on the cream.
Mm-hmm.
What I like it just melt in my tongue.
Yeah. Usually what we
You want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
heavy on the cream.
She said that it needed more strawberries.
Yeah.
So.
It almost tastes like cream cheese.
Are you turn by?
Mmm.
You did like it?
Has a weird taste.
Yes.
Ooh, I already know the next one.
Oh, we're gonna try this.
Let me see.
The Gummy Glitters Snowflakes.
Gummy glitter.
Leader.
Joker's back.
Hey! You know,
This is from Spain.
Gummy Glinters Snowflakes. We're gonna try it next.
Alright, this is from Spain.
I don't know why you laughing. Shut up.
These white snowflakes are bursting with the taste of sugar cookies.
Ooh. That's gonna
While
be a
the,
lot.
while the blue snowflakes have a sweet blue raspberry flavor.
I want the blue.
You gotta try both.
Oh.
There's like only one blue. There is only one blue.
Where?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Just
get
bite a piece and let me have some.
Oh.
Oh, sugar cookie gummy?
I don't know about that.
Everybody's
It
face
smells
when
like
they
granulated, like straight granulated sugar. You know how you get it fresh out the bag?
Does that taste like blue raspberry? He ate the whole thing. Didn't even save you.
Wow.
Oh.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
It does taste like a sugar cookie, but it's just too
That's
weird
weird.
in a gummy.
Yeah, in gummy form, that's not very good.
I was gonna say you like sugar cookies.
I know it does taste like one. It's just weird to be a gummy.
Yeah. It's very odd.
What you
Next,
think?
you've picked all the bad ones.
I meant pick this one here.
I thought I wanted that other one. This one is called Arrow.
We're not done yet.
He's got to give his review on the cookie.
Oh.
Excuse you. I think it's pretty good.
You would like
If you munch into it and have all the flavors, it maybe have a little bit of sour mix, not too sour, but
a sour sugar cookie.
All right, what do you
That
got?
sounds awful.
I have Arrow.
Arrow milk chocolate. This from Canada.
Canada.
Our neighbors across the border. A silky smooth chocolate bar that will melt in your mouth.
Ooh.
Its bubbly texture makes for a light yet indulgent.
Guys, this looks fire actually.
Let's see. Oh.
It's a nice bubbly texture.
can you not bring me mine and I can grab my own?
It looks good.
Thank you.
It smells like straight like cocoa. Baking cocoa. Which is weird because
It is
says,
bubbly.
it says it's milk chocolate.
You
It's
see
like a
inside?
cake.
Yeah.
Look. I don't know if the camera can see it.
Hold on. Back up on him. Oh, yep, got it.
Very good.
It's
That's
bubbly.
weird. It's airy.
Ugh.
It tastes like baking cocoa.
Jose doesn't like it.
I love it.
You
The
love
whole
candy.
fucking box.
You just like candy, so
Alright, next.
What did it feel like in your mouth?
air.
It's like
No,
it's like
it
bubbly.
Let me
It-
taste it.
It just melted in my tongue.
In my tongue.
Melted in his tongue.
I mean, it's not bad. It's just too
You would like
chocolate
it
for me.
It's pretty good, huh?
It's weird, huh? It's like
You guys
Chocolate.
being so dramatic. Hey, leave you alone, not her. Like,
all right. This is
Let
this is Bis Extra Oreo. This is from Brazil.
Let me see.
Crisp wafers layered throughout Oreo cream coating and stuffed with even more sweet cream and crumbly cookie bites.
That was really bad. Hold on, try that again. It wasn't thing. No, you don't have to read it again. I just didn't see it.
Oh.
It wasn't in focus. Okay, wait. There, got it.
Oh, the
Cameraman. Listen, we gotta get the focus right.
Wow.
Damn, that's gold.
Let's see what it looks like. Hold on.
Smells like milk. Hershey's.
Oh, I see.
Hershey's cookies and cream candy
got
bar.
it? Come on, camera lady.
Okay, got it. There you go. Okay.
Mmm. Mmm. It tastes like the cookies and cream candy bar.
It's not bad. I think it tastes better than the cookies and cream candy bar.
It's good.
Tastes better. It's thick.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
That guy's a bomb.
That crunch action.
Your next vibe?
We're gonna do
The snowball.
Baker's Brothers Snowballs.
Snowballs.
Baker's Brothers Creamy Milk Filled Snowball.
Milk filled?
This fun cake is clearly inspired by snack cake. Milk cream filled vanilla cake covered with sweet white chocolate, then drizzled with smooth milk chocolate. And this is from Turkey. Didn't we like the last one from Turkey?
Yes, we did.
Oh, you got a knife.
It's like those one cakes.
It's like the actual snowballs with like the coconut
that's
flakes
what
on
I was
them.
trying to think of. It's the anticipation for me. Ooh.
You got it?
Kind of.
It smells like
Thanks, fine.
You don't like it?
Yeah, like weird ass fucking cake, man.
The what? Like a texture?
When I burp of like drinking Captain Morgan, basically that end of that shit.
I like them.
You like it so much it's on your beard.
Weird.
Yeah, I like this. You know, crazy. It's good. And I don't even like cake.
No thanks.
Wow. What you think, camera lady?
The taste is kind of like angel food cake when it's almost expired.
Who has almost
But
expired angel
the
food
texture,
cake? The texture was pretty.
yeah, and the texture's pretty moist.
I like it because it wasn't that sweet.
Yeah. Ooh, I don't like that aftertaste though. That is
Yeah.
not good.
All right, what you got?
Chew-Its.
Chew-Its. They're chewable candies with tart black currant flavor.
Black currant? What is that? Please tell me it's nothing gross.
It's from the United Kingdom.
It's got a grasshopper in it.
Stop.
Oh, it is a grasshopper.
Grasshopper?
A black grasshopper.
I love
Are you guys kidding me?
No,
I don't want it.
you got to.
So dramatic. It doesn't smell like anything.
It just looks like a
Like a high chew.
Starburst or a Haichu or.
It doesn't smell like anything. Does it taste like anything?
There we go.
Strawberry. No.
Blackberry. It took a minute for it to taste.
I know, it's kind of bland. Then the sweetness kind of kicks in towards the end.
Yeah.
It's weird.
I like it.
You liked everything but the cake. Oh, the last two. Nothing's in English on them.
China.
These look just like pretzels.
They look like those Pocky sticks or whatever they get from the Chinese store.
Mm-hmm.
They're just not. I don't know. This one's not in the book.
Uh-oh.
Who snuck it in there?
Sorry, the Bobby John.
Let's see. Focus it, babe. Wait. There. If anybody knows what this is, please comment below.
They say there's a mystery snack in the box, and it provides you with no information.
Mm.
So this is probably it. So if we die,
It was our time.
It's okay. We only have one life to live. I would rather do it here, peaceful time. You know.
there's nothing in English in this box.
We either go to the bottom or go up there to the man on top.
They are Pocky sticks.
It's just like a pretzel.
Crystal sticks.
Oh no!
I'm about to take 3 just because how your face is.
I couldn't do it. It has a weird taste.
Uh-oh.
Maybe it's because the mixture of all the cake and stuff.
They're like sweet.
Yeah.
Leave it to him to eat everybody's.
You liked it?
Yeah, it's just like a busquete.
That aftertaste.
It's nasty.
Kapag na mag-keto pa ito or nothing like that. It's
All right, there's
hard
one
to
more.
get this.
There's a. It looks like a corn is on it. So maybe let's see.
Put your hand up. It's Vi's face. There. Thank you.
Oh, this sounds like it's gonna taste nasty.
Oh,
It's a corn roll French thick corn soup flavored.
Oh,
Oh
God.
no.
An unexpected, lovable snack made of puffed corn,
Hey,
and
how
packed
do you...
with a layer of fresh and flavorful sweet corn flavor.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
It's from Taiwan.
Hey, how do you pick...
Oh, you want to pick that? Here you go.
No, dice.
No.
You picked that one, right?
Yeah, so it should be you.
No, it was...
That's it, though. That's the last
That's the
one.
last one.
No, that one.
That's the choose.
Oh, you got the you got it.
There's also your surprise in the freezer.
Oh yeah, there's a drink in the
Oh,
freezer.
yeah, our drink.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't even want it.
Ooh, you got to.
That looks like
Why?
this.
What does it look like?
Bongo. It looks like a
Ooh, I
bongo.
love bongos. Ooh,
Looks like
look
a
at that
rolled up-
texture.
Bongo, for real.
Here, you want to cut it with a knife?
Yeah.
Is it crispy?
Maybe it's like an onion ring. A Funyun.
And you get cake on it, too.
Oh, wonderful.
Oh.
Mix it.
Oh, look at the inside, babe.
It's hollow.
It's hollow?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought there was like jelly or something in it. I'm gonna wait to see what you guys' reaction is, see if I want it.
Oh, yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah.
It is like a pongo.
The drama!
Okay, Kyra.
That's nasty.
That is like
It's
a
a
pongo.
corn soup flavor?
Yeah, it's just a bongo. Stop. No.
That's just disgusting, huh?
No, it almost tastes like twisty. But
No,
with
it
the texture
doesn't.
of bongo.
Oh, it got better as it sat,
Yeah. See?
but that initial taste, hard no.
See, that's why I almost threw up.
Dramatic.
That's the initial taste. You want to grab the drink? It's in the freezer.
Your cups, babe.
No, the freezer.
Oh, sorry.
The other freezer.
Right there.
You.
Because you said you wanted it cold. I got cups right here.
Okay.
Alright, this is a drink, a Fanta. Chocada is the flavor.
Show it to me.
Chocada.
Juana Fanta.
This fruit soda is flavored with elderberry and has a similar taste to grapefruit, but a little more mild.
Huh.
Grapefruit and it's blue?
Yeah, and it's
I
from
feel like just the bottle.
Croatia.
Ooh. I feel like maybe just the bottle is blue. Don't you think?
Well, the label is blue too. That's weird. Not weird. I should
That
say that.
looks so
That's
good.
different.
He can't even wait.
I like Fantas.
Wow, there was no fizz to that at all.
It's that white thing sticking out of it. It's ice.
We don't know, but now it's in the cup.
You want that cup?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
He gets the worm.
Wow, you gonna
I go big,
Oh,
okay?
that
toast?
smells good.
Mmm.
This smells good. Doesn't taste good. It doesn't really taste like nothing.
Oh, sad.
It almost tastes like squirt a little bit.
This is the worst
Squirt.
drink I probably ran in
But a little.
today.
No, you know what?
Today?
It smelled like, tastes like that nasty floral stuff he made for his chicken the other night.
I didn't make that. She made that.
Taste it. Tell me it don't taste like that. Smell like it.
I love sodas.
It smells better than it tastes.
I cannot.
Your
finish
guys'
this
reactions
stuff.
are...
It does smell a lot better than it tastes.
Yeah.
Does it smell
It
like the
doesn't-
floral thing?
It
No.
doesn't taste nasty. It just doesn't
Okay, let me
have like.
taste
It doesn't really taste like anything.
It smells really good.
Yeah, if the bottle's just blue because it's clear.
Oh, that tastes like flowers.
See?
Like that literally tastes like flowers. Like flowers. It reminds me of like Tongan women flowers.
What's an elderberry?
What
Oh,
is
that's
that
why it's a flower.
Old.
That's what's in there.
Old.
An old berry.
The blacker the
I
berries.
think you need to
Start.
start
Start what?
hyping me up to drink that shit because it did not taste good at all.
All right, so I need you guys to review on the overall box. So this box cost $25. Do you feel it was worth it?
I feel like it's worth it to taste everything from that box from different places, you know.
And that includes the drink. So the
Yeah.
box is only, I think, $19.99 without the drink, but it's an extra $5 if you get a drink.
I mean, it wasn't terrible. There wasn't anything in there that was like nasty.
I mean, you guys' reaction was nasty.
Wow.
You know,
I mean, Vi liked everything in the box except
He
for
likes
the.
everything in
So
it.
I mean, this is worth
Except
it
for the
him.
cake and the drink.
Cake and the drink.
I'd say buy it.
Well, if you would like to try it, so they have a much smaller box that I think is $15. Yeah, it's like $15, but it only comes with 5 snacks. I think this one comes with 10 plus snacks, and then they have an even bigger box. I think that's $45, and it comes with 20 plus snacks.
Ooh.
And then they have a new thing for teachers. If you
For
want to buy a box, you want to buy a
teachers.
box for your students.
Oh, cute.
So, yeah. So the promo. So the promo code is Lane Vision. If you just go to the website, promo code Lane Vision to get 10% off, or you can click on the link in the description below. And yeah, that's the whole video for today. So we'll see you next time. Have a good day.
Bye.